Hi, this is Bobby Joe with Beautiful Savings, and today I have another Nadine West package. And this thing is huge. Look at this. So big. I have a lot of stuff in here. So I'm going to put everything that I get and the prices down in the description below so you can see what I got. So this is going to be a try-on video. So I'll show you everything first and then I'll try it on. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. So this is for, I believe, October. Yes, I believe this one's for October. And it was late getting here. So this is everything that I got for in October. So I'm going to show you what I've got. And yeah, and if you haven't yet already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit a thumbs up and make sure you share my videos. And yes, make sure you follow me because I will do a few more videos like this as well as makeup videos. And then I've got also something new and interesting coming on my channel that you guys are going to want to stay for and follow. Big changes happening here. But okay, so let's get into the video. So let me open up this package and show you what I got. So Nadine West, they'll ship you everything. There's like a $9 fee, which will go, either you'll get it back or it's gonna go towards the purchase. I'm trying not to rip this, but I don't think it's possible. I should've got scissors. I don't think I have any. Anyways, so it's going to the $9 because you gotta ship everything back in this package as well. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get scissors. Okay, I didn't find scissors, but I found a knife to open it. You gotta be careful when you're opening up the package because you are gonna be shipping this back in the same package. Okay, so Nadine West is $9. And I think I have about, was it, I think these were like 14 or 17. Alright, so this is how it comes, everything in it. I got a lot of stuff this time around. Just put that down there. So I'm going to just take everything out so this way I can go through it. Ooh, this actually stayed nicely. So they're supposed to come nicely bundled like this. You do get a return address package that you put on the package for when you're sending it back. Okay, so that was a bundle that did not stay together. So I got one. I think I've got like 4 bundles in here. Yes, here's another bundle. And my last bundle. Okay, I'm going to start with my last bundle, which should fully make it. Okay. So let's get started with this. Alright, so this here, yeah, I don't like this one. This one isn't my style at all. So this is the top. It's really, really big. It's an extra large, but it's huge. It's like an oversized, like shirt, sweater thing. Yeah, but I'll try it on for you guys. It's huge. So that is the name of it on the label. Like I said in previous videos, I'm not going to try to even tell you the names of these things. Okay, so these here. Okay, so I did look ahead and I did see what I got in all of my packages. This one I did see and I did like. I don't know. And now that I got it and I feel the material, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. And it looks a little too short as well. But this is it here. This actually looks really short. So oh, it's a 1X? I don't know. And it looks a little see-through too. So I don't know. I love the zippers on it. The zippers are really cute. Oh, it does say on here bestseller. Just in case you were wondering, it's a bestseller. Anyways, so that's the name on it. Yeah, it does look a little see-through, but that could be, it might not be, but we'll try that on. All right, and here is the next one. Oh, this is actually kind of cute. It's a little cardigan, very cute. That's the name on the cardigan there. This is a XL. It's very cute, actually. I think it'll go really cute with those leggings. And this bundle is actually already open. It was one that was torn apart. All right. So this is LOF, Love of Fashion. I think this was a scarf. Yes. So this here is a gray scarf, which I'm not gonna keep. I do have scarves already, so I'm not keeping that one. All right. I also got a headband, which I think the headband was like $5 or something. Maybe I'll say on here. No, it doesn't say how much. So, but just a headband. I'm not gonna keep that either. And then I got socks, which I think were like $5 or whatever. I really don't need socks, so I'm not gonna keep those either. Not trying those on either. That's kind of gross. Oh, I kind of like this cardigan. Got this, really like this yellowy cardigan. It's very cute. So everything that I got in this was like $300. Like 300 and plus change for all this. So I'm not keeping like everything in here. Maybe one or two things. Okay, so this here is like a romper. It's extra large. It's the name of it there. So most everything has the same name on it. This is like a little romper thing. I'll try it on. I'm not really big into the rompers. They really don't fit me well. And it's got pockets. So we will see. I'm gonna try those on too. This here is a blue top. So let me see. This is a XL. That's the name of it there. I do like this. This is really cute. I like the little crisscrosses in the front. Very cute. Very soft. So we'll try that on and see. This one here, I'm already telling you, it's a definite no because of the color. It's not my color. I would never wear this color. And the sleeves are like crazy. Look at these sleeves. They're very crazy sleeves. So I'll try it on for you guys, but I know I'm not keeping that. All right. And my last bundle, which was actually the nicest one. All right. So, oh yeah. And this one came with a $20 gift card that I could purchase as well for like $8 and just give it to somebody, but I'm not keeping that either. Okay, so there is some jewelry. You know how I feel about the jewelry, but I will show you the jewelry that I got. So I got this cute little, bracelet. It's got a pretty little blue stone in it. It's very pretty, very dainty. But, like I said, I've got plenty of jewelry. Don't need any more, so that's getting shipped back for sure. And I got this little other pretty bracelet here. It's got a little ball at the end. It's very cute. Not something I would wear, not my style, but it's cute. Alright, so let's get shipped back. Okay, so the accessories, I'm not going to try on any accessories for you guys because they are what they are. Scarf, you've seen one scarf, you've seen them all. Alright, this here, I think this is a dress. So, and it's got pockets, which I love pockets on dresses. It's just all black. I'm probably not going to keep this one either. I think it's gonna just make me look big. Anyways, this I might keep. This here is butt sculpting full coverage support. It's got a phone pocket and tummy control, and these are just really cute cozy leggings. So it's got a little pocket here for your phone, so you can put your phone right there. And let's see, yeah, and I like how it has this cute little sheer pattern down at the bottom. So I'm gonna try that on. If it fits, I like it, I might keep that. Okay, but otherwise it'll all be going back. Because most of the stuff I don't need, or I don't think will look good, or I don't want it. I do have a blue one similar to this. I do like this one, but I probably won't keep it because I think the prices on a lot of these are high. But okay, so I'm going to try these on for you. Again, I will put all of the prices to all the items I got down below, plus the total of everything, and then, yeah, so let's get to trying on. Alright, so this here is the romper, and it's got the pockets, but yeah, I'm not really into it. Color's okay, but not really my thing. I mean, it's soft, it's like buttery soft, but just not something that I'm really into. Alright, I'm gonna go try on the next thing for you. Okay, so this is the next outfit. So these are the pants with the zipper on it. Has a pocket here, plus you can unzip the zipper, pocket, very small pocket. Actually no, that isn't a pocket. It goes right into the pants. So this is clearly just for decoration, but it does have a pocket. I think these here are just a little too tight for me, so I'm not going to keep these. So these are just a little too snug for me. But I think if they were just a little bit bigger size, it might fit me better. I might like it. I like this blue shirt. It's nice and fitting. I like the length. I love the cross stitching thing, crisscross here. It's very cute. I may keep this. I'm going to see how much it is. We'll see. I'll think about this one. But alright, on to the next one. Alright, so I figured while I have this on, I will show you these cardigans. This is actually really cute. I love the length of the sleeves. It's very cozy. It has snaps right here in the front. So, yeah, this is very cute. I really do like this cardigan. I really just don't think I need any more sweaters. Otherwise I'd probably keep it. It's very cute. I absolutely do adore it. So, but it's very cute, very cozy. Love the length of the sleeves. Alright, I'm going to try it on the other cardigan that I got as well. Okay. So this is the other cardigan, which I knew I would love it because I have a blue one just like this I got from somewhere else. But I love the sleeves. I love the color. It's great for fall. But then again too, I feel like I would only wear this in the fall time with certain outfits. So I don't think I would wear this all the time because I don't think I've got a lot of outfits for it to go with. So, but it's cute otherwise. Alright, on to the next. Okay, so while I had the other black pants on, I would figure I would try this on. So this is like an oversized sweater thing. It's like waffled. And it's got like a little split here. Like I said, it's too big here for me. I really don't like it. It's really long and yeah, it's just too big. Yeah, it's just not my style. All right, on to the next one. Okay guys, here it is for you. The awful green shirt. This may look good on somebody, but just doesn't look good on me. I don't like it. Not my color. I don't like the sleeves or the v-neck. It's just not my color, not my thing. I'm sure it looks good on somebody, but just not me. And then these here are the pants that I was thinking about keeping. So I'm not sure if I'm going to yet or not, because I do have a pair that are similar to this. So I don't know. I have to think about this. I may send it back. I may keep it. I like the little design down here. It's got a little place for your phone here. I don't think it overly holds in my tummy too well, as much as I would expect it to. Maybe I figure if this was a little bit more snug, it might, but anyways, okay, I've got one more thing to try on, and yeah, and then I will tell you my overall thoughts of everything. Be right back. Okay, so this, I just kept the leggings on. Normally when I wear it, but anyway, so this is the dress. It goes down past my knees. It's long sleeve. And it's got pockets, which are cute. It's not bad. I feel like it gives me more of like maternity vibe than anything, but it's cute. I'm sure this will look good on somebody, but just not me. It's just not my style, but it's really soft and cozy though. Very comfy. So if you're going for that comfort look, this is definitely one. But all right, I'll be back. We're gonna get changed and I'll tell you what my thoughts were. Okay, so overall, I have to say nothing really in that that Nadine West package actually wowed me. Nothing was like I must keep, I have to keep it. Nothing in there I absolutely direly loved. So I'd say it wasn't really a hit out of the park one this time around. But anyways, so I think I'm gonna ship everything back. I don't think I'm gonna keep anything of it. There's nothing in there I really want or really was like excited to have this time around. But yeah, let's see what I get in my next package. Hopefully, but if you want to see what I get in my next package, stay tuned. Go hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, hit that bell notification so you know when I do upload a new video, and make sure you share. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. All right, yeah, that's it. Bye guys.